What's up, chuletas? Today we're going to be making this beautiful watercolor buttercream cake that I made for my mom on her birthday. If you're new here, welcome to Thalias Cakes. If you enjoy cake decorating or any videos that have to do with cake related, bake related stuff, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more videos. Alright, let's get started. So first things first, I colored my buttercreams purple, orange, hot pink, and a turquoise. As you can see here, I did give my cake a final coat and I put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before actually doing this. With my offset spatula, I am going to place on the different colors of buttercream all over the cake randomly, no special order. The more random, the better. Okay, girl? Once that was set, I went ahead and put my bench scraper in some hot water so that way when I scraped it, it came out nice and smooth. It's a really good technique, so I highly recommend it. But then I started to notice, I was like, girl, you didn't even cover up the whole cake. Like, I should have put more color into it because look what it left. So I decided to go in and put some white, and then I also added more colors to it just to fill it in because or else it was gonna leave like little ridges all over the place. So make sure you do that too. Mira que suave, wow. And for the top of the cake, try and, mix up the colors without trying to like push out the buttercream too far to the edges. If you want, you can go ahead and do the top first and then the sides, but that's how I did it. Anyways, for the decorations, I did get some macarons from TJ Maxx. I saw them at the register. I was like, yeah, let's make life easier. And then I got some fake flowers from Michael's, cut them up and put some saran wrap around it so that it was, food safe. So then right now I'm putting in the cake topper that I made myself. It's ghetto, but it looks cute, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my fake flowers in there. And then I also got these other fake flowers. I forgot what it's called. I'm bad at this. Let me know in the comments if you know what the name of this thingy is. My bad, but they're so pretty. I also got them from Michael's as well. You also, again, want to make it food safe, so make sure you wrap that up nice and tight and right with some plastic wrap, okay, girl? So for the gold bolas that I put on this cake, I used lint balls and I got some of my gold highlighter and just rolled that little sucker all over that gold like that. Mira que belleza, mira pa allá, que linda. And once that's set, put your gold bolitas wherever you want on the cake, on top, on the side, do whatever. And also, same thing for the macarons. Put them on top, put them on the bottom. Whatever you want to do, girl. Get crazy if you want. Put like 10 of them on top. I don't know. Yeah, so I was like, girl, we need some more gold. So I mixed up some vodka and the gold highlighter and just started painting gold in random areas of the cake like this. And in case you're wondering what kind of buttercream I used American buttercream. If you like my recipe, my recetas in the description box below. If you do recreate this cake, I want to see it, girl. Tag me on my Instagram at Thalias Cakes. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And click that circle button right over here to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more videos. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Happy birthday to you.